Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm gonna prepare Thandai Badam milk on a special occasion of Holi. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to prepare Thandai Badam milk. So for that, what we have to do at first is that we have to prepare badam milk. So at present I am boiling this milk and will wait for the milk to get boiled properly for 5 minutes or so. So as you can see guys, the milk is boiling right now. And now I'm going to put this saffron. I have already mixed the saffron in milk. So I will put the saffron milk. As today is a very special day, today is Holi. So for that reason, I am preparing this badam milk, which I will, prepare, Holi special way. So as you can see, I have seen the gas and I will continuously stir this. And will again leave it for another 5 minutes in a low flame. So you have to stir it continuously like this way. About 2 tablespoons of peanut and cashew paste. This will go for refrigeration for about 30 minutes. Then it will become Thandai Badam milk. And the saffron smell is very nice guys. It will make this badam milk more tasty. Just continuously stir it, but keep it in mind that your flame should be in medium to low. And now you have to put sugar according to your preference. I'm giving 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't know if you can able to see the color of the milk, but it is really looking very nice. You have to stir it. Our badam milk is almost done, but before taking it out, I will put 2 ingredients so that it will be more yummy to have. So now it's time to put that 2 ingredients. So here I have dry rose petals and cinnamon stick powder. So it is easily available in the local grocery store. So I'm going to put this. It will give you that very beautiful piece of rose petals and that cinnamon stick powder. So our badam milk is ready guys. So I will just place it in the serving glass and then I will just refrigerate this for around 15 to 30 minutes, and then I will show you how it came to be, how it came. So guys, our yummy badam milk thandai or thandai badam milk is ready to serve, and I think you will like this recipe of mine. And if you do so, then please don't forget to like, share this to your friend, and please subscribe to my channel for such recipe. And I would like to wish each one of you a very happy Holi, and please play safely and happily with your family members. And I'm going to come with another new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.